Hey everyone, how y'all doing today? So I was cruising around my favorite online shopping site, which is Amazon.com, and I was surprised at what I saw. So I recently ordered some stuff from Amazon, which I have an upcoming video to feature what I ordered. But when I got there, I was greeted with a big sign that says "Welcome to Endless Entertainment," which is kind of a surprise because Amazon just released a truckload of new products, and I'm surprised they didn't include these few products in that launch. But anyway, for whatever reason, they decided to wait till now. So let's start off with the Fire Stick, which is the first item on this list. Now it's capable of outputting 4K Ultra HD and Dolby Vision and HDR. And now it comes with a new remote that has volume up and volume down and a mute button. And this remote is also capable of controlling your TV and your soundbar and your receiver. And unlike the Fire Stick before that only had Dolby Audio, this one has Dolby Atmos. So we're talking some top of the line feature here in this package. And it only comes in at 50 bucks. So that's pretty cool that, it's not like ridiculously priced. And it has 8 gigabytes worth of storage. But Amazon provides free cloud service for your digital content purchases. So the next product they have on that page is the Fire TV Recast. Now I talked about that in my previous video when I was doing all the new toys from Amazon, so you can check that out there. It's not fully out yet, so once it get out there and I get my hands on it, then I'm gonna do a review. So I'll give you my personal hands-on test when I do get one. Next item they're gonna release is the new voice remote. Now this remote is gonna come with the new Fire Stick 4K, and it's gonna start being bundled with the Fire TV Cube. And like I said, this remote is gonna be adding the new feature where you can actually adjust the volume and mute. And with those features added, it's gonna be able to control your TV and your sound bars and your receiver. Now which manufacturer, not sure, but I'm sure all the major manufacturers will be supported from the get-go. So the Fire TV Cube was added to the list, but the Fire TV Cube is already out. What difference is going to make this time around is the fact that it's going to include the actual new voice remote. So there's no real big difference as far as hardware change. I think the next hardware change is when they come out with the Cube 2. But it's the same Cube. The only thing I see different is that they upgraded the remote to the new voice remote. So when you thought Amazon pulled everything off the truck, you went into the back of the truck and there was one more box. And that box had all this stuff left in there. So I don't know if they're going to release more stuff for the shopping season, but you have a wide choice of stuff to choose from. There's a few of them that's on my shopping list for this year, but I'm going to wait till around Black Friday before I do any shopping. Black Friday, Cyber Monday, somewhere around there, because I think after everybody make that first initial purchases, then Amazon going to start putting them on sale just for the shopping season. And that's the prime time I plan on getting it. Okay, so that's going to be it for this video. A lot of companies out there, especially the big tech companies, Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, are releasing a whole slew of products. And they're trying to get it in for the holiday season. So I'm going to start making some videos of some products that you might want to put on your shopping list. Tech related stuff. I'm going to try find some products too for the ladies, because I know ladies are not into the tech as much as men are, but there's some products out there that also appeal to women. So I'm going to research those and try to find them. Okay, so I want to thank you for taking the time for watching this video. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.